Sicilian food, nothing compares to it. One of our favorite things is to hear the oohs, ahs, and yums from people when they first taste a granita, gelato, cornetti, arancini, or even Alfred's famous pasta sauce.
That sauce is nice and thick, perfect. It's a nice way to end a nice Sicilian night. It's perfect.
Looks good. Can't wait to dig in.
Zappala.
Hey, not bad for a ragu out of a jar.
Who's better than me right now? Nobody.
Our friends Frank, Christine, and their sons Angelo and Frankie practically ate their way through Sicily last summer.
You can smell the chocolate coming off this cake.
Cheers.
But oh, the joy of seeing their happy faces.
And for you, bud?
Probably pizza, French fries, the gelato, the granita.
Especially the
I know. I love the granita. All the flavors are
Especially the
good.
Kinder Gelato.
Hope you enjoyed this little slice of Sicily from you, me, and Sicily. Ciao!